What's going on, everybody? We're here in beautiful Pembroke Pines, and today we're going to be repairing a spa glass tops. It's been leaking out of the glass tops from the spa into the pool whenever the pool shuts down. So we're going to be going ahead and repairing it. I'm going to briefly show you what's going on. Maybe you can see it right there or not, but the whole entire pool right there on the top, I'm going to call it the right side, it's all leaking out of there. We're gonna have to remove that whole entire spa glass top and rebuild it up and compact it again. To help out the spa from draining, we're gonna put the pool in spa mode. And we open up the spa main drain and we close the spa return. Got a waterfall in the spa where we should not have the waterfall coming out of. That whole entire spa glass is totally loose. We're gonna drain the water out and we're gonna repair that side, and we're gonna cut into the remainder of the glass grout line areas and recompact them. Alrighty folks, we got that one out. We took off all the marble top pieces from here, the glass. This side of the glass looks okay, but this pool was leaking. There was a lot of water. When they did the renovation on this pool, they were using like this silicone type of material to seal up the sight glass. All right, so this pool was leaking a lot of water, and given that this sight glass area was all leaking, look at the condensation and all the algae formation that was growing up on the wall. And then the further look, we have these two pocket holes where water could be. Given that we have these two holes right here and the whole deck has fallen through, my suspicion is the water is seeping through the wall, and this is where probably one of the main causes of the leak is. So we've already trimmed down our areas. We're going to go ahead and clean up our sight glass, and we're going to reinstall it here with hydraulic cement, really touching up this area. I'm going to trim down and make this area flush, so that when we go to compact these two areas, I can stick half of a screwdriver down through this hole, so this leaves to leave the leak is on this pool is coming from here, and that's why we have all the erosion and the pavers that have fallen through the side. So going to seal this up, put the sight glass back on, trim up in between the grout lines of the remainder of the spa from the inside of the spa and the outside of the spa, and refill it, compact it, put back our three marble tops with all right, so we are all finished up. Prepared all this whole spa glass area right here, compacted all of the grout lines all over again, put back our marble top pieces, and this spa should be good to go for a very long time. Let's go take it out from the front. There you go, looking brand new all over again. Prepared the spa glass and possibly fix the leak. Now what we'll be able to do is determine if the leak was specifically coming from that top right hand corner spa glass area inside the wall. We'll be able to determine if the swimming pool will now be holding. Well, thank you very much for watching this video with us on how to repair a spa glass and possibly determine if that's the leak or not. If you have any questions, post your comments down below. Like and subscribe to our page. On to the next one. Thank you very much for watching.